So, while swimming, mag-acting challenge muna kami. So, the word of the day is, fully booked kami today. Okay, I go first with the excited. Hello! Fully booked kami today! Hello! Fully booked kami today! Hello! Fully booked kami today! Sino na? Hello! Fully booked kami today! Yan!
Yay! Fully booked kami today!
Hello! Fully booked kami today! Hello! Fully booked kami today!
Okay, next.
Sad naman.
Disappointed.
Disappointed next. Wait, mag-internalize muna ko, guys. Fully booked kami today.
Ikaw na.
Fully booked kami today? Angry naman yun. parang galit ka. Fully booked kami today. Kahit masaya ka talaga pag fully booked tayo. Fully booked kami today. Yan na yung gusto pabagsak ang sepa.
Ikaw na, Ate Rose.
Galit. Galit. Disappointed. Alam mo nyo ang gulo. Fully booked kami today.
Okay, next.
Uy,
Uy, ano ba siya? Fully booked kami today.
wala na.
Yun lang.
The end na. Walang pangit. Kaya tayo nag-message tayo pwede saan. What time now, B?